What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy back with another POV. As y'all can see, this is gonna be a real quick, short one. We going to get some food, so I'm tagging y'all along. Y'all let me know how y'all liking these angles. I don't know if I could tell, but I've been switching up my angles almost every video. So the last video I had like a more full wide range of my whole entire windshield. This video right here is just strictly more of just my steering wheel, and strictly just this, like from here to here, if y'all get what I'm saying. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, bro, because we're gonna be dropping these POVs for y'all all year long, man. I'm thinking about doing weekly uploads, or probably even, shoot, I might even do, no, that's a stretch. I'm about to say daily, but I ain't gonna be able to do daily, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But I could try. It all depends on how much love I get, bro. But make sure y'all spam up the spam the like button and comments. Also, because I'm probably not gonna be talking that much in this vlog right here, in this POV. But bro, I just got dusted like yesterday in a F-150 pickup truck, bro. I got smoked. Like, I'm probably gonna insert the clip in this video. But that right there is bad, bro. Like, he did me so bad, and we did it from a roll, which is no excuse. I probably should have been in the right gear. I was driving it fully automatic instead of being inside of manual mode when I was driving. When I did the roll against him. But like, he pulled off on me crazily, bro. Like, that right there was insane. But without further ado, man, let's just get into this peaceful drive, bro. If y'all can hear my turbos, bro. Okay, should we? Let's see. Should we do it? Negative. Cars, bro, all in the way. let's fix something, because I honestly, are we driving? Let's fix our display, because I do not want to show something in my display. Let's go heads up display. No, it's cool. We're gonna do it like this. Let's go to sports display, bro. Hold on. That way y'all can see what's going on. All right, there we go. Oops. Wasn't trying to do that. Just so y'all can hear the turbos, right? This would be the perfect spot to launch it, wouldn't it? Spitting wall, no, I'll take that back. My traction control off, and I don't know who near, so I don't want to do it.
Bro, do it again.
He want the rear. He told me I'll do it again. me get in this lane because I don't like being over there. I want y'all to just listen to the turbo, bro. Just listen to it build up. I want y'all to listen to this thing build up. Just hear it build up. Just a moment of silence. Let's just hear it to build up for a little bit. Just hear it, man. We love it. We love that. Oops. Let me calm down. We just hit a bump. That wasn't good. Oops. Okay. Woo! We love this shit, boy. Oh my God. Hold on, let's see. I'm not gonna launch it, but like, let's just see what it does. I'm gonna try to hear. Let's take the traction control off. I want y'all to anticipate and listen to the turbo. Listen to it. Y'all hear that? Woo! We love it, boy. All right, y'all. Now right there, we'll conclude today's POV. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. If y'all want more, just spam the like button, spam the comments, and hit that subscribe button. Road to 1K subs, bro. So spam the sub button, and I will keep bringing y'all bangers like this. But until then, I'll see y'all later. Your boy Fish is out. Peace.